we're here today to do the prostate cancer awareness Fight Gone Bad workout. It's affected my life. My father-in-law was diagnosed about 1.5 years ago with prostate cancer, and right now he's successfully battling it, so in recovery at this point. So I thought what better way to honor him and come out here and have some people come out and do this workout for us. 1, go!
I do CrossFit because I used to do sports and I got very tired very quickly of the same old gym routine, and now CrossFit is my sport. You get into the gym, you train against yourself, you train against other people. It's a great way to get a very intense workout, measure yourself against yourself and other people, and just get really motivated to do your workout every day.
Relates to real life. You know, stuff's not easy. Job's not easy, life's not easy. CrossFit, you come in here, everything after CrossFit seems easy.
CrossFit back home. I go to school in Colgate, and I thought this would be a good way to get back into like the competitive group kind of spirit, because that's a big part of CrossFit. You don't get that when you're just working out in a student gym, so I decided to come down here and give it a try. And it's for charity, it's a good cause. So.
Hey, Scott Bradley, CrossFit Cuse, CrossFitCuse.com. Just wanted to thank everyone for coming out today for the prostate cancer awareness workout, Fight Gone Bad. Had a great time, great bunch of athletes. Looking forward to doing it next year, and between now and then, we've got a lot of work to do. So check us out, CrossFitCuse.com. Thanks.